The function of a telescope is to collect light from distant objects, to form it into an image, and then to magnify the image for viewing. How well an individual telescope does this depends on its optical properties, such as aperture, focal length, and magnification. An understanding of these is therefore essential for knowing which telescope is best for you. My name is Anand, and you are watching Space Time. Aperture. The job of collecting light is done by the telescope's main lens, or mirror, called the objective. The bigger the objective, the more light it collects, and the greater detail you will see. By doubling the diameter of the objective, you quadruple the light collected, and double the distance you can see. The diameter of the objective is known as aperture, and it is usually measured in millimeters, or inches. A telescope with a 60 mm main lens gathers 70 times more light than naked eyes. Focal length, the distance from the objective to the focal point, is the telescope's focal length. Focal point is the point inside the telescope tube, where the light comes to a focus. A telescope with long focal length will produce large, but faint image at its focal point. One with short focal length will produce a smaller, but brighter image. Focal length divided by aperture gives telescope's focal ratio, or f number. Telescopes with large f number are best suited to viewing close bright objects, such as the moon and planets. Those with smaller f number are better for viewing faint, distant objects. Magnification. The degree of magnification offered by a telescope depends on the strength of its eyepiece. An eyepiece is described in terms of its focal length, and this is marked on its side. The focal length is an indication of its magnifying power. The shorter the focal length, greater is the magnification. 5 to 10 mm eyepiece can be used for getting close-up shots of the moon and the planets, 20 mm eyepiece for viewing the full disk of the moon, and 30 to 40 mm eyepiece for viewing nebulae and galaxies. Hope you have learned something new from this video. If so, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Also, give us a feedback in the comment section. Bye for now.